arriving at mat 1.
Oh.
Whoa, perfect. Looks good.
What's the elevation?
The elevation, I can get there. Let's see. We're at 2,427 feet. 2,437? 27. 27? Mm-hmm.
Hi, my name's Jensen.
My name's Miriel.
Denise?
In Brooklyn.
And we're all the Leopold High School students. We're in Rara Avis, Costa Rica, and we're doing a project on Matapalo trees. We're standing in front of one right now.
Okay, this is a Matapalo, what means tree killer in English. It's a strangler, that means it starts out as an epiphyte, sends down roots, steals nutrients, sends up roots again. So these are all Matapalo roots right here, it goes all over the place. Then it steals the sunlight from the canopy area of the host tree. So in the process of this whole Matapalo tree growing, it kind of kills the host tree, which eventually just rots and leaves the Matapalo standing there alone with many niches for animals and plants. So our whole idea for that project was to look at biodiversity and compare it in between a Matapalo tree and a potential host tree.
The tree is on the north side of the trail. It's clear, about 80 to 85 degrees. What do you have for the height?
About 10 meters.
Oh.
Okay, 10 meters.
Thank you.
And the host tree is dead. And it has buttress roots right here. So write that down. And the south side of the tree touches the
Costa Rica, it was a lot different than we expected. There was a lot more life on all the trees, which made it really hard for us to do our project. So we were able to change our methodology and adapt our project to something we could really do in the field.
Picture number?
That's number 189.
Brooklyn is taking pictures of the surrounding area at each of the 4 directions, and then again of the trunk at each of the 4 directions. She stands approximately 2 meters away from the trunk when she takes the picture of the tree, and right at the base when she's taking a picture of the surroundings.
So Muriel's using the compass to determine the direction of the slope, and the clinometer to determine its angle. Right now we're doing a plot of the north side of the tree, 1.5 meters from the base of the trunk. So what we're doing right now is looking at the plot and estimating the percentage of it that is filled by trunk, by Matapalo, by other plant life, and by just other, which is detritus or soil or cobwebs or gaps in the trunk of the tree or anything that doesn't fit into any of the other categories. And then after that, we do a survey of the biodiversity of plants in the plot. So how we do that is we count the number of species that we can find and then the number of individuals of each species, and we're going to use the biodiversity index equation, which is number of species divided by number of individuals total, to figure out the biodiversity of the tree, or of this side of the tree.
Is this science? Yes. Science is inquiry and experiment. The pursuit of knowledge is messy, especially if you are the one creating the knowledge. Hey team.
Yeah? Yeah?
This could be a good control tree right here.
Oh, let's check it out.
Check it out.
In the play. Oh, yeah.
It's about the same diameter as the tree would be without the Matapalo.
Oh, it looks good. Yeah, it does. Well, that looks great.
You want to flag it?
Yeah, we should. Yeah, let's perfect. Okay, this is our control site. We're collecting the same data as on the Matapalo tree, so that we have a comparative.
Here the team members from the Matapalo team are going over their data, analyzing their data, comparing the Matapalo tree with the control tree.
You see, you have as the control site, you have the Matapalo. Tell me the average of It's great that we actually got to go to Costa Rica and do field research. We learned so much, and it just made me realize that I want to go out and do field research. That's something I want to do for my life. And yeah, man, I just want to go back to Costa Rica.
We worked really hard to get to Costa Rica, and it was totally worth it. I've enjoyed all my time in Costa Rica and had amazing experiences, and I've learned more than I ever would just sitting in a classroom. Yeah.
Just being in the rainforest and seeing life over life, just layers of life, made me realize how valuable, how beautiful that rainforest is, and how we're actually part of it, and how we can destroy ourselves. It just doesn't make sense. We need to protect the rainforest.
Thanks for watching our video!
Maybe this whole Aldo Leopold philosophy is working right before my eyes. Maybe what I'm seeing is young people being self-reliant. Maybe what I'm witnessing is people thinking, people capable of thought.